Today's episode is Foreman Pig steals an ice cream truck and gets grounded.
Hey! What is this? An ice cream truck? Someone left this at the park. Maybe I can steal this and sell ice cream. I guess I can now sell the ice cream. Welcome to the ice cream truck. How may I help you?
Do you have any chocolate ice cream cones?
Yes, we do.
Then I would like a chocolate ice cream cone, please.
Me too. Okay. That will be $2.
Here it is.
Thank you. Now let me go get your chocolate ice cream cones. Here are your chocolate ice cream cones. Have a nice day.
You too.
You too. Welcome to Ice Cream Truck. How may I help you?
I would like a strawberry ice cream cone, please.
Me too. Me three.
Okay. That will be $3.
Here's $4.
Thank you. And here's your change.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now let me go get your strawberry ice cream cones. Here are your vanilla ice cream cones. Have a nice day.
You too.
You too. You too.
So guys, where do you want to have our strawberry ice cream cones?
Let's have them at the picnic table. I agree with Ethan.
Good idea, everybody. Let's have our strawberry ice cream cones at the picnic table.
Okay. Okay.
Welcome to the ice cream truck. How may I help you?
Do you have any vanilla ice cream cones?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Then I would like a vanilla ice cream cone, please.
Okay. That will be $1.
Here it is.
Thank you. Now let me go get your vanilla ice cream cone. Here is your vanilla ice cream cone. Have a nice day.
You too.
Don't tell me that you were stealing someone's ice cream truck. Because I know that you were stealing someone's ice cream truck. I saw you stealing someone's ice cream truck.
Yes. I was stealing someone's ice cream truck.
Oh my god. I cannot believe you were stealing someone's ice cream truck. That's it. I am now going to call your parents.
No. Mortal Guy 1997. Please don't call me parents. I am so sorry.
Too bad. I will now call your parents and they will ground you. Hello, Foreman Pig's parents, your son was stealing someone's ice cream truck. Can you please come here and ground him? Okay, thanks and goodbye. Your parents are on their way to ground you.
Foreman Pig. How dare you steal someone's ice cream truck? You know that when someone owns an ice cream truck, you are not allowed to steal someone's ice cream truck.
Your father is right, Foreman Pig. You should be ashamed of yourself, young man.
But Mom and Dad, I am so sorry. Can't you just buy our own ice cream truck?
No. This means
You are grounded for 83 weeks.
when we get home, you will go upstairs to your room. We are going home right now.
Yeah.
Go upstairs to your room right now.
Yeah.